This next document is a owner's affidavit. When you sign this document, you stating you are literally swearing to no liens, judgments, or lawsuits pending against this property that could pop up after we close. We're paying everything that is on title. And when you sign this, if something else comes up, guess who we call? You. We're going to need that change. Sign here. Correction agreement. A correction agreement.
Okay, I don't mean to cut you
No,
off.
go ahead. This is for you, more.
No, you say that you will have to pay now. The contract you gave us, we make them sign that if any liens or something comes to them, it goes to them, right?
So the contract that I gave y'all is for. Oh yeah. He's talking about if he was a wholesale. I own this property because I bought it sub too.
Oh, say no more.
Right. So this is now. It was a wholesale deal, but I knew how to make it a deal that would work to pay me later.
Okay, I got
You see what I'm saying? So I took over ownership by deeding the property over to me. So now I don't even need them to come in and sign as the seller because I'm the seller now.
Gotcha.
You with me?
Gotcha.
So with those sub 2 deals, just take over the property and then make this happen.
Okay.
You know.
I got you.
Okay, this is a correction agreement. What title companies use this for is most of the time it's if it's a lender involved. The lender may send some documents if the seller came in before we got a package. They have an FHA loan, a couple of documents the seller will need to sign. We'll use this to sign that. In order, we have written payoffs.
Okay.
He said like no HOAs on that property.
No.
Okay. That's it.
What is this?
No
No
HOAs.
HOAs.
Okay.
So like homeowners association, if it is,
And that's it.
Okay.
And then he'll get some money. What time is it? If not today, first thing in the morning.
Oh wow. You get it goes in your account.
Yeah, I can get it while I'm on camera. I'm gonna get a check so everybody can see it.
Okay.
And then,